This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and tap Connections to find NFC and payment options. The Oneplus Nord 5 places NFC inside connections for quick access. Toggle NFC on so the phone will operate at 13.56 MHz with tags. You can also enable nearby share and contactless payments in the same area. Keep screen on briefly when tapping a tag to ensure reliable detection. If you use a case, remove it for the first setup to confirm tag placement. Install Google Pay and set it as the default payment app in Settings. Open Google Pay, tap Add a Card, and follow verification with your bank or SMS. After verification, go back to Settings and confirm default NFC action is set to contactless payments. For extra security, enable screen lock and biometrics before using payments. You will see a payment animation and vibration when a transaction completes successfully at a terminal. Use apps like NFC tools to read, write, and program NTAG 213 tags on your Nord 5. Open the app, choose Read or Write, and follow prompts to store URLs, text, or shortcuts. Tap two phones or accessories to exchange small data or pair devices using an NFC trigger, then confirm transfers in the pop-up. Test tag actions in a safe spot before deployment. Disable NFC when not needed to save battery and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.